Guys, I'm at the Lihu garden in Medan, Indonesia, and today I will show you whole of the garden. So stay tuned. So guys, see the beautiful lotus, the greenery around. It's so beautiful. Hello guys, I am in the middle of garden heart. This heart is made up of plants and I'm surrounded by the magnificent and glorious greenery. So guys, I was walking in this heart and I found a grasshopper. You guys wanna see? This is a grasshopper. Introduction, grasshopper.
I'm his mom.
So guys, see my mom and dad are walking together and I'm just left behind. So you can see there the grasshopper is leaving. And there's a papaya, if you can see. Yes. Is it papaya? I think so. Yeah. It is. So guys, I'm in the middle of the path. In the middle of nowhere. And I don't know where this path will go, but I think wherever this path will end, it will cover with beautiful greenery. I'm literally in the middle of the jungle, I think. See the greenery, guys. See the greenery. Guys, at last this path will end and I'm getting out of this tunnel. This tunnel seems like I'm stuck here for so long. Okay, let's get out. Let's get out. The grasshopper is out and here's the grasshopper. What name you will give to Papa? Animal name. Like you are grasshopper because of wearing grasshopper clothes.
He is helicopter.
So he's the helicopter. Meet our helicopter. So guys, this is the Indonesian traditional hut and you will find this in North Sumatra. So guys, this is the traditional Batak hut found in North Sumatra, and just see the beautiful artwork and just see the combination of the colors black, white, brown and then red. It's so beautiful. Garden, and in the Lihu garden there's a lotus pond in the middle and I'm enjoying the amazing beauty of this lotus. So guys, I am with a grasshopper and also pigeon woman. And the next video will be soon about pigeon woman. Stay tuned. So guys, if you like my channel and like my vlogs, song and my other covers, so please subscribe and press the like button, and after you subscribe there's a bell icon, press that bell icon as well. And if you want more videos with our grasshopper and pigeon woman, stay tuned because the next video is about the pigeon woman. This garden is full of art. They have made these animals, these creatures with plants. It's so beautiful. Guys, see these beautiful lovebirds that are made from the plants. And let me show you a small waterfall as well. See guys, see the small waterfall and the leafy garden. It's so relaxing, right?
We are at the lovely Devo Garden in Medan, Indonesia. I'm very glad that Abhilaksh is making beautiful vlogs for all of you and letting you know about the wonderful Indonesia. And if you like his channel, if you like his vlogs, if you like his work, please subscribe his channel and press the bell icon. He's doing a marvelous job with his vlogs. All the best.